Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very important. This video is really helpful for the new teachers. In this video, I am going to share sentences which are really helpful at the time of taking our students to the assembly ground. As a teacher, various commands and instructions we have to give our students. So here, in this video, you will get all the useful sentences according to the sequence. So let's get started. Good morning everyone. Make a line and go to the assembly ground. Good morning everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the morning assembly. Get ready for the morning assembly. Come fast, get into the line quickly. Or you can say, come quickly, get in line. Make your line according to your height. Take one hand distance. Eyes to the front. Let's form your line quickly. Everyone get in line. Stand straight in the line. Stand straight, nobody will talk. Come forward, Nitin. Don't talk in the assembly line. Join your hands and close your eyes. Why are you talking in the line? Who is going to tell the thought of the day? Read loudly, or you can say speak loudly. The students in the last row can't hear you properly. Don't lean your body to the wall. Don't disturb others. Put down your hands. Please pay attention. Go and clean your nose in the washroom. Come and meet me after the assembly. Why didn't you wear your school shoes today? Why are you pushing him? Neha, please go and check your classroom. Call them for prayer. Don't run, go slowly. Why are you late for school? Wait here until the assembly is over. Whose turn is it for prayer today? Take your pledge position. Don't talk. Listen carefully. I would like to request our principal ma'am to come and say a few words to the students. Or you can say, may I request our principal ma'am to kindly come forward and address the students. This is a polite request. Get ready for the national anthem. Have a nice day. Everyone now go to your respective classes. Students, don't run. Walk slowly. Don't push anyone. That's all for today. I hope all these assembly instruction sentences are helpful to you. See you tomorrow with new video. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Till then, bye. Take care.